were riding Test Track and it started raining, so they stopped us on one of the outside curbs. So
we're kind of like at a
hold it on the angle.
45-degree angle.
Maybe
right
60-degree angle. If it wasn't for the seatbelt, I'd be falling on Haley right now.
And muscles.
Yes, lots of core muscles.
We gotta get one out in front too.
Oh, the experiences of Disney in the rain.
I got it.
At this point in our unofficial backstage tour of Test Track, the cast member brought us down through the VIP hallway. This is where GM executives and celebrities like Michael Bublé and Neil Patrick Harris are brought in so that they can ride Test Track. According to the cast member, Test Track is their favorite ride at Epcot. It was really cool walking down the same hallway that these celebrities have walked.
We found them.